Now the trick that I use is put some water on your hand and rub the countertop before you lay the foil, and then rub some water before you lay the parchment paper, and that surface tension will keep everybody in line and keep it from jumping around all over the place. I lay down foil first on the countertop, and I follow that with parchment paper. With ground beef, you want to take it straight out of the refrigerator before it's had time for the fat to get soft and everything else. You want to lightly crumble it all over the sheets of parchment that you just put out. You want to keep it as light and fluffy as possible. Then you want to come over that and sprinkle your seasoning out between your fingers like this. You just toss it around kind of like pastry. Again, you're not wanting to smash and overwork these burgers. They will never inflate again if you do that. Now this ball of meat that's sitting right here next to you, give him a little swoop up, smash him in between your two hands like this, in between your palms. And then with your thumb, make a nice indentation in the center of it that'll keep it from turning into a tennis ball when you put it on the grill.